to explore and understand the secrets of the natural world. One effect of the Civil War and the Republic was to free up scientific experiment because there was such political chaos. The scientists, many of them young geniuses, were left to get on with it as they chose. And when Charles came back, he may have put an end to political experiment, but he certainly didn't put an end to scientific experiment. On the contrary, he realised it could be to England's greater glory, and he gave it his royal seal of approval. What had been a ragtag association of amateur enthusiasts became the Royal Society, unleashing nothing short of a revolution in science. The Royal Observatory was built, on the King's orders, to promote the study of the heavens. The work that was done here was typical of the spirit of the age. Night after night for 40 years, the astronomer royal came here and, looking through his telescopes, measured the position of the star. And when I say measure, it's not just a casual thing. He had to obsessively record in minute detail where every star he saw was in the firmament. The idea behind it was very simple. If you could tell where all the stars were every hour of every day of the year, then by looking at them, you could work out where you were on Earth. The celestial map, produced by the first astronomer royal, John Flamsteed, revealed the universe as never before.
Hello.
Flamsteed fleshed out the known constellations with newly discovered stars, bringing the heavens to life with that sensual imagination so beloved of Charles.
Hello? Oh.
The work that was begun on Charles II led to Greenwich eventually being declared the official centre of the world for the purposes of measuring time and space. And reaching out across the night sky is a laser beam that marks the prime meridian, 0 degrees. The imaginary line from which all the time zones of the world are calculated.
What you doing? Hello? Oh.
The study of science was so new that it welcomed anyone to its ranks. One of the great scientists of the age, still venerated here, had begun life as a painter, apprentice to Peter Lely. His name was Robert Hooke, and he became the first curator of experiments at the Royal Society. This is thought to be Hooke's microscope. A very fine object it is too. Not to decorate, because obviously it was a very special instrument. Looked at all kinds of things. The one we've got under here is just an ordinary flea. And, oh my goodness. It shows the human very fine detail. You see the sort of hairy legs and the spikes and the amber colour, the gleam of lighting. Of course, Hooke would have spent hours and hours looking at these specimens. what he wanted to do was to record in great detail what he was seeing, and the way he did it was to assemble a great book of all the objects he'd observed, plant life, animal life, all the rest of it. It's called Micrographia, and this is the page of a flea. And he gives this description of it. He says the microscope manifests it to be all over adorned with a curious, polished suit of sable armor, intersected with multitudes of